Here's the truth. There are only two places you should be on a pickleball court: up at the kitchen line or back at the baseline. Anywhere else, you're vulnerable. In tennis, there's a concept of no man's land. The same applies here. At the line, you can volley. At the baseline, you have time to hit a ground stroke. But in between, you get attacked. So be decisive. After you return, move up fast or stay back, but make a decision. You don't want to be caught in what's considered no man's land. So here are some tricks or tips on how to avoid dying in no man's land or the dead zones. Number one, after your return, move up fast and decisively, or don't move up at all. You have to make a decision. If you don't want to move up because your return was weak and you don't want to move up behind a weak return, stay back. But if you do move up, you got to move up with a purpose and make it decisive. Number two, if you're stuck mid-court, if you get stuck or trapped in no man's land or the dead zone, stay low and shorten your swing. You're most likely going to have to take balls off the rise or off the bounce or bend down. You can't do this with big swings. But the goal should be to get out of no man's land, whether or not that's you retreating to the back or getting up to the kitchen line. Number three, avoid hitting balls while you're running forward. You don't want to hit the ball on the run. You want to stop, plant your feet, stabilize, and hit. You're not running with your paddle along for the ride and just hitting the ball. You got to split step, stop, smell the roses, and then hit. Train this transition with shadow drills. Focus on footwork, not power. The goal doesn't have to be run to the kitchen, run to the kitchen, run to the kitchen. That's what most people think, and that's because a lot of coaches teach that. You can stay at the baseline. You can hit ground strokes. You might be hitting defensive shots, but if your opponent isn't very good at hitting volleys or drop shots, then you staying at the baseline might actually be an advantage. The key is, though, to decide what you're doing and to do it. Don't get caught in no man's land. If you do, you got to get out, whether or not that's moving to the kitchen or retreating back to the baseline. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more pickleball instructional videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button.